Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you differential equation, particularly homogeneous differential equation. This is my fourth class for differential equation. So let us start the topic. So here definition of homogeneous differential equations. The differential equation m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous if m of xy and n of xy are homogeneous functions of same degree. Now let us solve a problem. So solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan y by x. In order to solve this type of equation, put y is equal to bx. Then dy by dx is equal to b plus x into dv by dx. So then the equation becomes, we can replace dy by dx with bx dv by dx is equal to y by x is v plus tan v. So this implies x dv by dx is equal to tan of v, because v from left and right side can be solved. So this implies dv by tan v is equal to dx by x. This again implies cot v dv is equal to dx by x, where the variables have been separated. Now integrating both sides, cot v dv is equal to integration of dx by x. So this can be written as cos v dv by sin v is equal to integration of dx by x. So now this is ln sin v is equal to ln x plus ln c, because if we take t is equal to sin v, it will be cos v dv, so that we will get this is which is a ln sin v. So this implies ln sin v is equal to ln cx. This implies sin v is equal to cx. This implies v is equal to sin inverse cx. V can be replaced with y by x. So y by x is equal to sin inverse cx. This gives us y is equal to x into sin inverse cx answer. So in this question, we have to solve the homogeneous equation dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. We put y is equal to vx, differentiating both sides, so we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, implies v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus tan v. Now separating the variable, we get cot v dv is equal to dx by x. Now integrating both sides, we get ln sin v is equal to ln cx. Then after simplification, we get y by x is equal to sine inverse cx, y is equal to x sine inverse cx, answer. With this, our first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next question is solve x into dy by dx is equal to y plus 2x into e to the power minus y by x. So now this equation is a homogeneous equation. The degree of each term is 1. So put y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. Then the equation becomes now dy by dx is equal to y by x plus 2 e to the power minus y by x. Dividing throughout by x, we get this expression. Now we can replace dy by dx with this value, which is v plus ax dv by dx is equal to v plus 2 into e to the power minus b. Now ax dv by dx is equal to 2 e to the power minus b. This implies dv by e to the power minus b is equal to 2 dx by x. So this implies e to the power v dv is equal to 2 into dx by dx by x, in which the variables have been separated. So this implies integration e to the power v dv is equal to integration dx by x. So this again implies e to the power v is equal to 2 ln x plus ln c. This is equal to ln x square plus ln c, which is equal to ln c x square. So this implies e to the power v is equal to ln c x square. Now v is y by x. So e to the power y by x is equal to ln of c x square, answer. So e to the power y by x is equal to ln of c x square. In this question, we have given x divided by x is equal to y plus 2x into e to the power minus y by x. Putting y is equal to vx, we get divided by x is equal to v plus x divided by x. Now putting the values of divided by x and a v, we get this expression. After simplification, we get e to the power v dv is equal to 2 into dx by x, in which the variables have been separated. Now after integration and putting the value of v, we get e to the power y by x is equal to ln c x square. With this, our second problem is solved. The topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.